Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a pregnancy test. Now, I will show you the OPK that I did this morning, and it is really, really dark, guys. It's like even more dark than the last one I showed you. Look at that. It's so dark. It looks even darker in person. The camera's not really picking up very well. I've also done a cheapy pregnancy test, but it's really hard to see whether there's actually kind of anything on it. So, without further ado, I've literally just had a delivery. This is just from Amazon. This is where I get my fresh responses normally. I've got a 4-pack because, you know, let's face it, we're going to be using them. So, I don't know if this is going to come up with anything, to be honest, guys, because it is still really early. But the OPKs are looking so dark, and the cheapy pregnancy tests, although they're quite good, I don't think they're going to pick up early. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know what, the plastic window of this is actually really scratched. I might have to take it apart. I think it's negative. I can't believe it because I'm pretty sure the lines were like trying to come up on the cheapy. Yeah, there's literally nothing there. Yeah, that's literally negative. Okay guys, well thank you so much for all of your lovely comments and all the love that you've been showing me recently. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to me for free, and I will see you in my next video. Bye ladies!